It is Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. Got my coffee with me right now, and I'm pretty excited today. If you do notice in the tabs, we are going to be going through MuesliSwap. I've had quite a few comments, and I want to get back and try this out. So hopefully we'll get to a point where we begin to earn passive income through farming. But what I'm going to do first is just go over this entire DEX. You can swap tokens, earn and invest on Cardano's leading DeFi ecosystem. So what I'm going to do is compare this to MinSwap, which is what I currently use. And again, I don't have millions of dollars or even thousands of dollars really to allocate towards every project. But what I will do, at least in the beginning of May, probably mid-May, I will be able to add even more funds to this wallet. So right now I added about 1,200 Cardano, but I am delegating and I've zapped the rest of my funds. And I picked up some NFTs through JPEG and MinSwap. So as you can see in the transaction history, I've been doing a little bit of activity the last couple days. But what we will do is go over MuesliSwap. So I want to do this kind of live, and I just want to make sure that we can do this in about 10 minutes. I don't want, to do anything that's, over the board or over the top. Comment down below what other DEXs you would like to see the Crypto Moose check out. And the idea is I just want to give you a, first response kind of feel. So, if you're ever interested in just seeing my thoughts on a project, maybe you're just unsure about something, I can give my feedback, based on, 5 to 6 years of experience in the space. And then, it's just kind of cool to have somebody else give input, and then they can look at things through a different lens, right? So we all have our own lens, and mine's going to be different than yours. So what we're going to do is just start at the top. So again, we're on MuesliSwap.com. Right out the gate, I do like it. I think it looks good. It actually looks better than what I thought. Maybe we'll even connect a wallet here. So we'll look at the options. In my opinion, Nami is still the best, just in my eyes. Yoroi I do like. So the fact that we can connect Yoroi, I wonder if we can do that through a Trezor in Yoroi too. So what we'll do is maybe see if that's even possible. So there we go. It looks like we've connected. Maybe we'll do a red cape. Now that's pretty interesting. So I can connect pretty easily. Now this doesn't mean that I can sign transactions though, because with this wallet, you would need the Trezor Model T to sign transactions. But the fact that I am already able to use a hardware wallet because I use Yoroi for that wallet, that is pretty sweet. You know what? I really do like that already. So that's really cool. Sorry, I forget the name of the username, but whoever brought up MuesliSwap, thank you so much. I'll definitely go back in the comments and figure that out. So we got a wallet connected. That was awesome. So let's already give a little check mark to that, probably a big one. So on-chain order book, trade any amount at your price with the lowest fees on the whole blockchain. So that's pretty interesting. Looks like the fees are pretty good. So let's just go to markets here. And this is cool. So you got it looks like a whole market here. And again, I'm just going through this for the first time. So if I seem amazed or abashed at all, that's why. Bison. Hopefully none of you are holding Bison there. Not doing good. Salty coin. What is that? Doing good. What's the project? I just got into a project recently and it was doing good. Another one, book.io. I think this one could do good, especially if they become interoperable with other blockchains. That's going to be very interesting, guys. Kopi, obviously, sexiest coin on Cardano right now. So DeFi, meme. Oh my, these meme coins, guys. Jeez, this perk up 2,000%. Wow. Should I get some per? I might buy some per, guys. I might get some per coins. I get 53,000. No, again, I'm not just gonna jump into something willy-nilly. But anyways, that's pretty cool. So if we go to swap, let's actually look at something a little bit more secure, so to speak. So let's say we wanted to trade and get some Kopi. Let's see if we could even get Kopi, really. So we'll do 1 ADA, we'll get you 10 Kopi. So let's see, 100 ADA will get you 1,004 Kopi. So the total fee is 3 ADA. So price after fee, 0.1015 ADA Kopi. Okay, so the deposit is returned, of course. So it's not bad, guys. That is really nifty. That is pretty sweet. Expert view, we got to do that because Crypto Moose is the expert. Oh no, too much. Too much. Got to work my way up here. This is fine. It looks like it just has more like buy and sell orders and trades. So that's pretty cool. Pretty easy there. Let's go to Meld. Let's see what Meld's at here. So let's do 100. I'll give you 1,600. Wow, the fees are pretty good. So price after fee, ADA Meld. Wow. And the deposit is returned as well. This is interesting. DEX aggregator. Wow, I'm really gonna have to check this out even more. Right away, I'm just really impressed. This is really cool. So let's go to the earn. This is where you're going to be providing liquidity, staking, that kind of thing. So it looks like we got quite a few options here. This is really cool. I like this. Liquidity, here we go. We can get more details. Milk, ADA. I see a lot of milk in ADA. So that's really cool. So IUSD, we got the stable coins working, and that's pretty cool, right? So let's go to here, the farming APY. So we'll click through. You know what? This Meld APY is pretty sweet here. So we got the total rewards per day. That's there. So 23%. Obviously, there's other fees involved. It's very difficult to get into the complexities of what the exact numbers would be. Obviously, depending on how much you put into, your rewards aren't always going to be that amazing. We got M yield here. Yeah, there's a lot going on here. But if you were to yield farm, man, obviously I'm biased towards projects that I like. But if we look at the Meld, let's see what we got here. So if we did 100 Meld, wow, that is really cool. So I'm really impressed with the way this is working, and it seems pretty swift. This is probably something I'm going to want to get into. So I assume what I could do is stay delegated to this Kopi stake pool I'm in, earn some rewards there, take my assets and just yield it over in here. I should be doing both, right? So again, I would probably just go to the start staking. Comment down below if you're staking at all. I would like to know. CNFT. See, CNFT took a big drop after JPEG.store just has been clobbering and doing well. Wow, this is really cool. So I'm definitely going to have to check out these milk tokens too, because I've seen them and I don't know if I was in the proper ISPO or not, but I did have some at some point. You know, I just wasn't bullish. Again, you need to do your own due diligence and do quite a bit of research. But like liquidity wise, you know, it's just very interesting. So the liquidity APY, pretty high there. So let's see how much we could get. Even just one would give you how many here? I guess you can't even do that probably. Okay. So that's not a bad ratio there. Let's look at the all-time price. So again, I'm just messing around here, just trying to get an idea. But I do like it, right? Milk is the utility token powering MuesliSwap, obviously. And if we go to the website, I have been on the website where they had, you know, more information on it. So again, you can go through all the white papers and whatnot. But all in all, I'm kind of liking this. I would like to make a trade. I just don't really have a lot in this wallet right now, and I don't have my. Let's see if I have it actually. Let's see what we can get going on here. So ADA, let's try to see if we could do some ADA for some copy or something, just to get something going. ADA, let's put some copy here. Might as well do a little transaction if we can. 250 ADA, we'll get 2,500 copy. So I'll plug in my Trezor. I got it with me. So 1 point, not bad. You know what, might as well give this a little go. So Mitch Trezor Model T. So right now I'm gonna have to confirm on my Trezor. Let's see if this works. I assume it will, but I just haven't done it yet. So this is a great way for me to be able to trade my ADA that I have on my Model T here. So I just put in my password. Something should pop up. Unexpected error. Not sure why. So I assume this is working on being processed here. I got my Trezor password in. So who knows? Maybe I'm gonna lose all my funds. If that does happen, I'm just gonna quit crypto. I'd just be done. I'd be like, if I lost data, it'd be like losing a newborn child. I'd be like, I'm done. I have nothing else to live for. Let's go. Might have to try that again. No worries. Try it once more. I put in my password. I didn't have it put in before I went to this page, so that could be why. That's my bad. There we go. So this looks a lot better. So 254. And it looks like the fee is 0.25 ADA, which I'm earning every 5 days anyways. Who cares? So there we go. Our order is placed. And this is on my Red Cape wallet anyways. So if we go here. I'm not sure what my balance was previously, but right here we have 55,230. This may or may not be adjusted, but we should see some ADA leave this wallet. We should be more at 11,200 when this gets done. So if we go here, we can see our orders. I assume, yeah, it's on the left here. So all in all, I'm very impressed with the way this looks. That was pretty simple to do. It was my fault. I just didn't have, I should have put in my password right away. But it's really cool to know that I can very easily utilize my Trezor for that. And it's going to be nice for when JPEG Store offers the ability to use your Trezor. Just connect your Trezor right up to the DEX and to the marketplaces for NFTs, right? So I'm going to have to do more research. I don't really know what aggregator means in this sense. But we'll do a little refresh, see what's going on. There we go. So it looks like it took my ADA. I love being able to just go to the blockchain and check it out on pool.pm there. So this is taking a bit of time for the order, but I know that something happened. We should see this balance go up by 2,000. So I effectively traded some ADA for some Kopi. We should be closer to 57,000. So definitely really cool there. So guys, if you're watching, if you're still here, we did launch our crypto and NFT masterclass. I believe, who was it? Devontae just enrolled, so congrats on that. We were rated 5 stars, so we're getting a good response already. This will take you from beginner to pro with anything crypto and NFT related. You can get up to 90% off using the code in the description below. Also, pick up a Trezor. If you don't have one, if you're not protected, obviously we talk about it quite a bit, but you should be investing into a nice hardware wallet. So here we go. You can see that our funds are there now. So we use MuesliSwap for the first time. I made an order already, and it's been a good experience so far. So hopefully we'll be doing a little bit of yield farming in the future. So it's all I have for you. Love you all. Cheers.